No, you did. Yes, I did. No, you did. Yes, I did. These are deep fried colossal king crab legs. I know you see the crispy crust on these bad boys. Oh my goodness, these are as delicious as they look. Believe me when I tell you that, and it's super easy for you to make. All you gotta do is follow along to this video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave your boy a like as well as a comment. Let me know what you think, and let's get started. All right, guys, starting off with these beautiful crab legs. This is about 1.5 pounds, a little bit over 1.5 pounds of some colossal king crab legs. And these come kind of pre-cracked down the middle. But what I found to make it a little bit easier is taking some scissors and slicing the crab along the little joints here and there. It made it a lot easier to get all of the goodness and all of that juicy meat up out of the shell. Just like so. It's a little bit messy, but it's gonna be well worth it in the end when you're munching on some deep fried crab legs. Oh my goodness, let that sink in. Like, you don't even hear that often. Deep fried crab legs. Yes, you're gonna be chomping down on this and you're gonna absolutely love it, believe me. And let me know in the comments, am I the only one that prefer king crab legs over lobster? Am I alone here? Let me know. Let me know down in the comments below. Do you like lobster or king crab legs? Which one do you prefer? Let me know. Now that we have all our crab legs deshelled, put to the side, we're gonna move on to a little bit of a wet batter. On the screen here, I have a list of all the ingredients that we're gonna be using to make that batter to fry up our crab legs to perfection. I'm also gonna leave that down in the description so you can have that there as well. Once you have everything in the bowl, just like so, you're gonna grab your trusty handy whisk and whip it up with Jay, whip it up with me. Play this video and whip it up with your boy. Just get everything whipped up, well combined, guys. I cannot, let me reiterate this. I cannot wait for you to try some deep fried colossal king crab. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is like, this is a recipe of dreams. This is what I dreamed of, you know? Oh my goodness. It's such a, I don't know how to put it. It's just good, guys. It's just really, really, really good. All right, now we have our batter whipped up. I also have a bowl of just regular plain flour, all-purpose flour, and I'm just gonna drop our leg up in that wet batter, shake off the excess drip, then toss it in our flour, and we're gonna shake off all the excess flour. Once we do that, you wanna go ahead and drop it in the grease after you have them all seasoned and floured up. And keep in mind, I'm only doing a little bit at a time because I don't want to overcrowd my fryer. Because when you overcrowd your fryer, your temperature is gonna just drop significantly, and you don't want those, you don't want no soggy fried king crab. You know what I'm talking about? You have to, you know, be patient with it, fry a little bit at a time so you can have everything fried crispy and perfect, guys. You don't want to overcrowd it and come out with some soggy fried crabs where they just been soaking up the grease. No, got to get that crisp on there, so you make sure you don't overcrowd your fryer. And if you're curious, I love using peanut oil when it comes to deep frying. Peanut oil can go to a very high temperature without burning. It's just my preferred oil, guys. And we're just dropping these bad boys up in there. letting them do their thing, letting them swim and get right. And we let them cook for about, I would say about 10 minutes. And this is the end result. Ooh, look at the golden brown goodness on that thing. Oh my. Oh my, stop playing with me. Ain't no bland crab legs over here. Got that thing seasoned all right. Hey, we're gonna now move on to a little bit of a butter dipping sauce so we could get, have something to dip our crab legs in. So we got about a half a stick of butter, as well as a little bit of Old Bay and some garlic powder. I'm just gonna let that get to a simmer, get it all mixed up. Just a simple, real simple dipping sauce, And guys, this is the end result. It is now time to indulge in these delicious, tasty, crispy, colossal king crab legs. Did I forget to mention that they deep fried? Ooh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. This is just on another level. This is on another stratosphere, guys. There's a whole nother universe of flavors. It's so good, guys. Oh my. I mean, I don't know if the video is gonna do it justice, because these are amazing. These are everything. These are so good. Like, so good. I can't even name a local restaurant where I could grab these. Ain't nobody whipping it up. Know what I mean? So you got to do it yourself. And like I showed you, this is a super easy dish for you to make. And it's just on another level. It's just so delicious, guys. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you haven't already, what are you waiting on? Subscribe to your boy. If you haven't already, leave your boy a like, man. It's helping with the YouTube algorithm, you know what I'm talking about? As well as leaving your boy a comment. Let me know what you think. Do you think it looks delicious? Because I sure do. Do you think it tastes delicious? I know it tastes delicious, because I done messed up that plate real good. But I'll definitely see you guys on the next video. Like I said, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Deuces.